You're telling Governor Onyoshi, that bandits, and this Afoshin, that they should not worry. Hey, because you're hiding under the dark. You are freaking hiding under the fucking dark. You said you're fucking disappointed at them. I say, what can Ogechi do? What can I do? I'm not saying what can you guys do. We are not talking about what can you do. No, you know here, nigga. I know here, nigga. He collects, I say, he collects. I'm not collecting, I'm not that. It's not about him, game. I never said I would do anything. And so shall it be. No Jupiter can stop it. So what can I get you to do? What? No, what I can do is my saga mouth. Saga, nothing more. I got a woman, and I'm a woman like one. And I'm say, person come Nigeria, come near and she. Are we even know? I'm not a mother, I'm not a killer, I'm not a poison, I'm not in anything. I'm Kamchi. But I want to go to come. So, but you are afraid of that or no? That is why you are hiding under the dark. Deceiving all this your bingos. Every time you have started talking about after dark, something that never existed. This is how you cook one story. See why I don't talk to you. Because actually, don't be a coward and be hiding. And be hiding. Le kwa kaka parian gina emega ke shibu pute yana akwa family yana even anum shwani ya wa mana chineke ko ji noro dia. So puta so you can collect what others are collecting. Stop criminalizing all these people, scamming them, hiding under the dark. You are a criminal and you're deceiving people. You are the one that came out few months ago or a few weeks back and guaranteed these people. They were assured that Ogechi can never. Now we're a series and series and series of court cases. That how can I run? Now I put Alabahani waiting who the answer. Can't you see how useless all your bingos are? Now you're telling them you don't have the answer. You that gave them full assurance that he knows that Ogechi can never step out. All those videos, they are fake, they are this. Now you are also telling this useless set of people that, you see why I just ignored you? Because I know that you're really useless. A man who lives in a mud house. A mud house that Onyara cannot even live in. More than that, the boom, I cannot the boogie. I go on a boogie. Onyara. Even a you're telling them, you met me first. You that was running. When I do like this one, this idiot, you get she that these people we are smelling like the police na shipotanda. Jpac in she. That one, don't worry, that case is coming. I'm a lot of people I know about it. Now me go bring them. Come to go December 2nd. Ask him, nobody go get peace. Na come and when him give me one man. And him get you I'm not gonna kill any person. I'm not gonna come any person. I'm not gonna rape any person. I'm not gonna do anything. Oh no man. This my mouth. Oh him get that tune. Oh no na chuma tune. I want more Nigeria. Oh na ga kwon gam na eri ka hanyem poison. A woman in Nigeria, so I don't do all that. So keep brainwashing this your rats. You brainwash them, I don't give a fuck. Keep giving them courage and a happy. But you have not showed your face because you were a criminal. You know that if you know that what you're saying, all these men they put outside in a jihuha, put a family. So telling, why are you worried about Ogechi Okeke? Why are you running about Ogechi Okeke? And you're pushing others to come out. And you're hiding. As I guess where you sit here like this name a program. Thank you, Goma. Thank you, my love. Stop deceiving others. Puta. I get you 10 a.m. When I never been to government house before around 10 a.m. I have never gone there. Anytime they go there, daytime, and thank you, my love. And anytime I was going, I was doing video. And what do you hear? They can midnight. What do you hear? They can all this is just to lie to all these criminals. I saw you filing a paper. This is the criminal syndicate. I saw you went to filing a paper. And he did not acknowledge that because they are all criminals. Abrahamunu, even you that is hiding, it's just a matter of time. Thank you, my love. Thank you for the gifters on TikTok. Thank you. Come on, I am on it. It may take time, but you, your wife, it's just a matter of time. You can't hide forever. That assurance and go and market someplace. What does now collect a family gonna hide? It's not being done. It's not being done. Go and mark today's dates. It's not gonna be done. It may take 5 years. It may take 10 years. It may take 10 years. But be rest assured that I may say, but through me get no mamma. Mark today's dates. You kata. And I'm a woman. I know they person. I know they do anything. You want to go? But I'm gonna go. I will get to the grassroots of your upbringing. If you guys can put me through this in Nigeria, if you guys can put me through this and you think I cannot read, you're just lying. Keep deceiving them. They smuggled Ogechi out of prison. So you're accusing the prisoners that has more gromo. You see why you cannot show your face? Why can't you be a man and be responsible of the things you say? Because you're a coward. Even the day you was hiding, running so camera against Setegi. You was hiding. Now also so camera cannot get you. That stack illiterate Jpac cannot put up a writing but share the statement. Why didn't you come and write statement for that Jpac? Gabalaga, you refused to come and write statement for him. When he was calling you to come and write statement for him, so that Ogechi will not picture you properly. But think about other people. Say make them come out. You see why I don't make? Because you're not relevant. Because I'm that you are until the gap put off for me. And they say church one jaga. Say hey giri. Say nage. Say one nage taking a big blow up. It can only take time. It can only take time. Mark my words. And I know the why would I come you? I won't know. Sendri kidnappers and the one criminal I hide on that fake account was busy saying, Ogechi, if you know that you did not commit a crime, then why you run? You guys were a bad criminal justice. Bad, because I see nowhere that a civil matter, you should arrest me on that civil matter. For what? All of you are criminals. Where all of you, okay, this is similar woman in America. Bien or biatra yam, we are justice in a prevail. On a Nigeria, come on, no, here. Everything happened to this judiciary. Everything happened in America. Anything you want to try me, I'm an American citizen. You can't try me in Nigeria. So too bad. You cannot try me in Nigeria. My damn potaga remains it until Unagaze court to go find her house. You guys should go there and find. Be an educated amount of useless to Shinga for Chineka or Gokun. And another 200,000 in here to contribute to my life. Ega 1 weekend. Gonna pretend that that's in there. Get out of here now before my block walking. You gave 200,000 kg my arrest. May you never see anything good in your life. That money in here will be your transfer. Shinga wanna before come that Nelly Baba Wogi. Get the fuck out of. Don't comment on my platform. Oh. Respect your wiki. Chineka Pogono. Get the fuck out of here. I don't want anywhere around. Stay 100% away from me. You contributed money keji babu na Nigeria. You contributed money keji warm acid. You contributed money keji poison. Ma putaga bada comment. Me tonda babu ogi. At least I'm bomb na the other line. Farm na this side, my second line. Ejimin Kena where I made program. You contributed 200,000. Kahabi warm acid. You contributed money. Kenyan poison nyabuomu. You gave that to Chineke Pongonu. And I told you 200,000. In your quarter, that's uncriminal, intelligent criminal. 200,000. Kahajibia, this guy in a garden, but nobody knows his identity. Then I quarter people who come in Minshi. Then when I go here, you will die a miserable death. For knowing very well, we get a Nigeria. Did you ever? Okay, commissioner on social media. One on your like police in area. Someone who a bandit, a real criminal. Ima on your woo. Na hide on the comment. Na hide on the dark name program. Get with it. Get with it. 200,000 year. Go poison. Can help. Get with it. Support you go to come and kill me. Na Nigeria. Ma begana comment. May you never see anything good. Oh, God, okay. As long as you're living in Nigeria, and Nigeria, some accidental death will visit you. It can 1 weekend. It can 1 weekend. Mark my words. As long as you will put an egg on, you're a criminal. Man on that fake. Now hide your man. Now on that fake, now on that dark. Parading everywhere. On your last shall not be yo. Get a hide your way. Now, what happened? They shall be your babu. As far as you will put an egg cookie to support this ideology, educate 1 weekend. They will never see anything good. It got 1 weekend. Let me block you, self. Wait. Kebino. Let me block you. Get out of my platform. I don't want to see you. Go to your platform and address anything you want to address. Fuck off. Fuck out of here. Get out of here, Chineka Bogo. For here. Shingafo, Tonda Babugi. As far as it would a lego. Near somebody who got hanya. No, you fully whether you had this guy in a level, eat terrorize and dollar and labeke. He's sure, but don't you pull your car. Yacho, you want a problem. You're not Toyaka. Now, check places. This guy will be working without nobody knowing his identity. Oh, him no job also. Oh, him no job also everywhere. Get where they go near because Ogechi I'm not Nigeria. Godina garu ni iche. Better put a bem no koba buomu. As far as this to contribute, you go educate. If you don't visit on weekend, okay, generation, okay. Ebi so contribute to any genye meko. Or any to contribute to any ego kabe buomu. It's to contribute any ego bianya bu kanya mishika. You know how bad our country is. You know there is no justice in that country. You know how bad it is. That all when you're not the honor, when you're not small good themselves. Look at what happened to Mazen and the Kano. This is what you guys want to put me through. This is exactly what you guys would. That's why you guys tagged me that I was raising money for iPop. Get where they go sponsor. Back age sponsor AJ booking. If you even have any. Country that doesn't work. Country where justice and a flip than ya win justice. Because who know would then on ground. And yeah, because I went with somebody on ground and I got them. That is why you guys think you can manipulate the system and hold me there with you just getting. Do you guys have power? I'm going to check December 2nd. Back and go for work. Back and go. I make and the prison accused that they smuggled to me. Now I can't call it Maggie and wait tuberculosis. Again, wait tuberculosis. Again, wait tuberculosis. I bet concur. So you don't have, so the assurance that you was giving all these criminals, all these your fellow criminals, the assurance that you was giving them, that Ogechi can never step her foot. That Ogechi with a series and series of, and in the series of court cases, you're not presenting it to them. But the series of court cases, you are not presenting it to them. The one you're talking about is the one that you guys concord all the lies. Namsur 500 million. Eh? Now, what have your court case got to do with one in Abuja? You see how evil these people were. What have Ogechi's 500 million naira got to do with it? A civil matter that ono just jam 1 year to turn to criminal fight. Ono get be bang on no. Akwa ashi oshimini. Akwa share when another way that court will look for me. Yes, Jay declare no second wanted. Jay gonna court. Agbara kwani Abuja. Uto de won to di ala. Only the ala mo. As far as this blue at this time. Who told them that they dig this crown the other panime? Peace all the room to don. I get charges them papa. I get charges because for me, Otilo. Compare no video, no room they play well. For me, you guys want to put me. I'm caught. You guys carry that seed. You want to pour me acid. And you want me to come back? No. I escaped. Abraham Sondom. I ran for my dear life. Abraham caught. You guys brought people. You guys brought people to come and fight me in the court. And telling me that they will punish me. And you want me, that God gave me second chance. You want me to come back? No. I got to run for my life. That opportunity, you guys cannot smell it anymore. That opportunity, you guys cannot smell me again. As far as you guys sent that shower, you guys came to fight me. As far as you guys promised to pour me acid, as far as you guys planned to poison me, you guys sent, I ran for my life. It will never happen. I escaped death. I personally escaped death. Because I see no reason why you guys should come to court and fight me. I see no reason why you guys should come to the court to fight me. I see no reason why that you guys should be writing my court date telling me that you guys will meet me there. I see no reason why you guys are posting that you are waiting for me in the court. People that already sent a threat warning to me. And you want me to come to court again. You lied. I will never. That was why I was running for my life. You will never set your eyes on me. Anything you want to do, make una go to them. You guys plan to punish me. Brought two hefty criminals to come and fight me. Keep making posts to telling the whole world this is what Ogechi is coming to court. That you guys will match there. The same people that came to arrest me, we are announcing to the whole world, posting it, telling them dates that you are coming there to do what? To women me? You guys, they want somebody else. You guys should go and punish somebody else. You can't punish me. You guys brought all your people to come and punish me in a court. Came to fight me. The same people he sent me to come and arrest me, and the same people posting, telling the whole world, telling their group that Ogechi will be caught so dates. How are they knowing the court dates if you're not the one passing information to them? How are they knowing the court dates if you're not the one passing information to them? Telling people that I can never escape Nigeria, that you guys are monitoring me, and they have opportunity to run away. When no you cannot threaten me. Put it in practice, not even that only threatening. You put it in practice by sending your Iran and Iraq to come and fight me in the court of law. You can't see me. So whatever, however you guys want to do, all on a post, I recorded it, I screenshotted it. All on an updates, I screenshotted it. The very time you guys came to court, I noted it down. So you guys should go and look for who to kwame, not Ogechi. That is why when I came in here, I kept twins. Because I told them to deceive, deceive. Agama Nigeria, you no go know. No go they enter Nigeria. Yeah, 3 times since I came back since July. But as far as you guys send people to come and fight me in the court, making posts, telling everyone that this is Ogechi case here, you guys are coming. That you're going to video me, allow your people to come and wolamu. No, I can't, you can't see me. Nigeria, there is no security, and my life is at stake. I am not protected. So go and judge yourself. All these threats, anybody that wants to record this, record it. Send it. The reason why record Oya, screen record Oya, this part, screen record Oya and post it. And post it to your lawyers or your judges. That I personally ran away from my life. The very day judge gave me what they call it, bail. These 2 ladies came to fight me in the court, promising that they will kill me. They made it open to my hearing that even if I'm released from that they will kill me, that they will pour acid on me. I was saved through the interventions of those wardresses. They came to court prepared, telling me that fate of Ogechi and Mirabel, both of them were saints, and couples with others that were waiting for me outside. They came in group. Fate of Ogechi, Mirabel, the so-called witness, and couples with the people they came trying to choke me to death if it's not the intervention of those wardresses. Even told me that they are ready to kill, even if that judge in Yemu, if I meet the bad condition, that they will come and pour me acid any day I'm coming. That they will pour me acid, they will use knife, they threatened me. That I don't know the people that were waiting for me outside. That day they fought. They gave them order to move them outside and want them not to come into that premises. My life is at stake. My life is at stake. Not only that, I was driving out of my house one very day. They have made this threat. They have made this threat not once, not twice, not third. I have all the comments. I have evidence. I have evidence that Ogechi, that I will not come at this Nigeria alive. Because they are many. I don't know who is who. Majority of them are under fake accounts. And they are carrying all their threats. If I'm blind, let them confirm from the wardresses. I escaped that very day. Because they were many. They were many. They came to take my life. Now, not only that, the day I was driving out of my house, luckily for me, my car had accidents. So I changed the second car. When I put the second car, my driver, brought that motor. Ghana mechanic. After my driver, she away is Ogechi. That all we have they don't want money. Na have to gamu. My driver go na me gawaga Abuja number flight to Abuja. My driver had to call me. Madam, anywhere you are, no come back house again. See my incident. Not only that, even Nage unknown place. I don't know how these people discovered it. Had to pay the woman to poison me. Had to pay the woman to poison me. So, how there is no security in Nigeria? There is nothing. You cannot be jeopardizing my life. I have kids to take care of. I have children to take care of. I have my mother to come. So all of una threat to take my life. You can't see me in court. Now here, we go finish. Whatever necessary means una won't take, make una come carry me from America, come back. I have documented my story already. I have reported my case already. I just came to America. I have reported my case. This is what I survived. Thank God we contacted America then when I was in Nigeria. So, you guys should find another way to come and carry me. You guys is all this group of people here planning. Now you guys have presented the case to the court. Why are you now looking for my life? Why are you now gathering to take my life? Are you guys not the one that presented the case to court? Why are you guys coming to the court to fight me? The so-called witness, the so-called Mirabel that is a witness, came with the faith, the one that claimed that she's an army general, came to court to fight me. They even assured me that if I escape Berlin, that I will not escape the acid and the Timu. Did you get the scenario? As far as you guys have planned all these things, looking for my head, it will never work. I cannot come to court. I have made it open now. You can't see me, whether Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday, or December 3rd. All on a plan to take my life. After that second, you ga home pam pam na Facebook. You guys claimed that you guys have did peace for 80%. Then 20% won't be the so-called people, you're telling them to come, bring your petition, come, I will do this for you. You have hired the lawyers. You came to get justice for her. Why are they fighting me? Why are they trying to take my life? Why are they fighting me? Mona, what dress, Hano? Did I mention their names? Did I call them? Why are they fighting me? You guys made several videos about it. You guys did not hide it. That you guys came to court to fight me. So, God gave me second chance to escape. And that is why many people don't want to come to Nigeria. That is why Nigeria is not safe. Nothing justified in that country. Look at what Mazen Nandukam is passing through. Look at what he's passing through. This is the justice system we have in Nigeria, where your life is not protected. Where people will be threatening you that your life that they will take your life. So you guys think I will shut up? You guys think I will shut up? No, I will not shut up. I will speak for the common innocent people that work so hard in abroad, that they should be mindful of the kind of people they operate with in Nigeria. There is no justice in Nigeria. Anything, they will do it on the ground just to take your life. And I refuse to be those that will be numbered. I refuse to be those, you guys. Let me tell you, you see, all the things you guys are planning, hiding under them, planning to take my life, it will not work. You guys took the case to court. Why are you planning all this evil to take me? Even at my presence, you guys say, now, George, if George like making give me, say una go pour me acid. Say una go pour me. All on a threats. Even you guys, the same faith of Gochuku made a video that very day. All these videos are intact. You made video that now Nina send the people na monitor na that thing. You see how far they went. You see how far they went. Now they send the people in correctional center to go and monitor me, to video me. They even brought my picture. Who video me? So if you guys can threaten me inside prison and monitor me and pay people to come and monitor me in prison, how do you think my life is at stake? How do you think my life is not at stake? How do you think that Ogechi will survive when I'm walking to court without no security? I even came for the second time. I took the risk. The threat still continue. I'm on TikTok. 260 is watching me on TikTok. You can join on TikTok. When the line is my account on TikTok, I will never keep quiet. As far as I made it alive, I said I will be the one to tell my story. Nobody. Arrest. Than to keep speaking. I am the victim, and I will keep speaking. Nobody. Gashem will keep quiet. And well, let me bien. Halina or Gikenga. If you talk rubbish, I go block you. If you talk nonsense, I go block you. Don't dare me. I'm not here to answer rubbish question. I'm not here to answer unintelligent rubbish question. As far as you came out that day, they were announcing that I came out. You said no, that you have your intel. You get put that intel even in that prison. You will go and bring out with that PJ fashion, that one that is working on that one, madam. Two of you anchored that program, that one inside that is monitoring me up and down, trying to take my life. I will never keep quiet. If you think it's ending, it's not ending anytime soon. All of you that perpetuated this evil act to take my life, you can't see me again. I will not show up. And these are the reasons why I cannot be there. Coming to court, my life is at stake. Walking out of court, my life is at stake. Every move I made, they are monitoring me. They are announcing to their unknown criminals online, posting the date of my court day, telling people to come, that this is the very day Ogechi is having court. Announcing it, telling the whole world, please share this program on TikTok. Share the program. Tag your friends. Double tap. Share it. On a plan, you know, go walk. Now, let me show you guys video. How they gathered. People I don't know. People that I have not seen. Over 30 men came to arrest me. Let me show you guys. It's only... Let the Ogechi wanted again. I have already made myself open here that I escaped death. Because thank God that time I was in Nigeria. I contacted US Embassy. I made all the necessary means and they paid off. None of you can jungle justice me. Can jungle justice me. None of, if you don't know, no get you what they are all your con. Now with them are all more William Square. I have all these things recorded. None of you can do jungle justice on my head. It's not gonna work. Let me show you. Not even police came to arrest me. They brought vigilante. Because that's my, I don't even know who's who. I wish I realized none the vigilante. When he gave me map, I get boom. I'm vigilante. I'm regional police. I don't know who is who. That day they came. Everywhere. What? Let's go know original police. I was thinking it's original police. I never knew that these people went and called vigilantes. Hundreds of men. I'm maybe handship. Or you just land there today, the next day may arrest. Wait, let me play it. But you guys have forgotten so soon how I escaped death. If these people were to... Why am I afraid of police? I will not be afraid of police. I'm not afraid of courts. I'll be here better than the allower. But I have to be alive before I will do what I will believe. You cannot come me before I will believe. It's not done. Let me leave first, so I can know how to speak, even if I am found guilty. Then I face the law. But you cannot say on the process, you want to come and take my life. And you want me to stay there. Actually, who fights to run, live to fight for another day. Who fights to run, live to fight for another day. I have already made all my necessary documentation. I escaped death. I escaped death. In Nigeria. Oh, I'm not Chineke kiji huna Ogechi nam kane kume here. Now I'm not Chineke kiji huna. Now I'm still breathing. They just want to use police and court to cover it. But those that are behind this, these criminals, Jpac put them here. Jpac, oh, I don't know. I don't know. You don't understand that Ogomana do with last time. I don't know that Governor Onyoshi that don't understand that Ogomana have with last time. I don't know. You guys brought me in the timelight of Tukwememi. You see, even that I will pay dearly with my life, Governor Onyoshi. You opened your mouth and stated it in the video, and you guys put it in practice. Not only that you opened your mouth, you put it in practice. A country that I have not been for how many years? You guys gathered on a criminal people to come and take my life. And you want me to go back again to do what? Every day that I'm gonna go to court, you announce it to the whole to the door to give unknown people together. Hold on, let me block you. Aya, get the fuck out of here. And when time to come and answer that bull, Aya, fuck off. Shinga for. Let me play the video how they came. Even one of the useless idiot to puru that this one no me arrest. I'm coming. 2026 ga wahala. One of the useless idiots. Ihe obaba na wa bathroom ko be hu me be m the naked. Ko be bu so ho get about the naked. Churum chubam na bathroom ebe m no. Omama ogba moto. Omama eyi mefe. Omama tukula mefe. The first thing you about na bathroom, bring a camera to video me. To video me. To bring that Ogechi nakedness or one in a home. Because that is his priority, to define women. To define women. Ashimonu Chereno. No, also, I'm a demonian. Can't have talk. And when Gemeli, why are you hiding your face? You unintelligent criminal. Why are you hiding your? Ashim, don't worry. He hide the career, I hide your 5 years more. I made it to you as a promise. I think I'm a lawyer. You are personating lawyers. I think I'm a lawyer. We will test that in due time. You will test that. Miziki Zaga, come down my page. Let me even Zagazi. I came to kill the Baribum na court. No go home. Don't worry. When I go see me. This is how they came. Look how many they were. Okay. All these guys. Now wait. All those guys who go everywhere, they all came together. They did not even video all of them. Because Zigizaga, nka haishi na hotel. Puta. Did you post it? Some people post a full video. That one, have be home inside hotel. Some people saw the full video. Nka no nime hotel. Hani ne jureju. Manka na about stairs. Achom people sorom the full video. Nka na about stairs. Hani ne kunona. All the men you kunona about ofonye. All these people I have not even seen their face. I have never seen them before. I don't know how. They all came in a large way. Hani na mapeshia to come and get me. Now, are you guys police? Una who police? Amam do no. Hem ndepe egbe. Nigeria, everybody na bag. Be careful, oh. Don't go all of a sudden down ndepe everywhere. There are somebody memorial service in Naya. There are somebody memorial service in Naya. That was how I was apprehended. That was how I was captured. Nobody were able to say, no, stop. This lady Chotrabo. This lady Chotrabo. Why are you guys coming to arrest her? Why are you guys coming to arrest her? Come on, Lacheji. They work with the hotel people. I don't know what happened. Now, make a show now. Because post what I'm that one. That one. I wanted this one. This one, the short. You can I wanted the last video when they want to push me inside their car. You never make them accused. Now, I have many people in the southeast. Now they know fully well that if you attach, if you attach your name with Jpac, you get a very big problem within the Nigerian government. This Amusu and this devil himself, this Drayo Morocco, this molested Negugu many people in the southeast. He just want to some people so get you, let go of Guinea. Let's go of what? Because post on that video, that particular one. Jeju Negi, that Jeju James, go to your mother and say Negi, why you jine ba pande Negi teneyane? After Omochwarunu unebilie, Gaju Negi na Nagi, why are they still fighting? Alana Proha for years. Ejuchan Negi say other question you come and ask me. Jeju Nagi na Negi shia, why are they fighting for the land? Oh man, you guys can buy another land. Why are they still fighting for that family land? And they get your drum, man. You chada your useless mother that thing. Get the drum thataju. Mommy, I thought now we are grown. Why are you guys fighting with that piece of land that will kill you? But then I will know what to tell you. Now, this one, Agala. Now, listen what Jpac said. Listen, Jpac is an and I accepted it. Because I home. Onye yana madoga one. I saw you yesterday crying like a chicken yo wo, crying like a wokam mini wo, crying like onye the latest news now ogagi birigoro brina jo chan onke na ekuna na newi. I went to with that time I'm not gonna newi channel agent research upon research. Abrangi 2026 ga wave everlasting oppression in your head. Aja apa mi hem jabega kan. Apa mu yoko. Apa mu na aka na abia. O yoko yo kam jabia. Ejerem underground work on your head. Chineke ga-akpọ ọkụ. Idiot, onye bụ obiri raja ọcha. Efe saga everywhere. Bịa pụta one day mmadụ, and they ga-make test also to confirm that I'm lying. You will go and do another test to prove that Ogechi not. And we be here nga gbagidere gi movie. You. Abasha na nwanne gi. Na enwe nwanne ọwụla mụ na gị. Mụ na ka akwụkwọ na nwanne gi, mụ na ka ga-awụ nwanne. Ị ga-agwa ndị mmadụ shi nna gị ukwu na-akpọ gị n'ike. Obiri gori obiri na ajọcha before ya nwa ka obiri gị. Go and do tests and confirm that it otula gị na ishi mmiri papa. Chineke bụrụkwa ọnụ n'ibu. Ndị mmadụ zerekwa yo maka o ji eme ya ahụ ọnụ ya. Asụ ya na amapachi obukwa ọrụ ya mmenwe. Go and run tests. If I'm lying, jabupụta ya. Go and run tests. Abrangi, this coming wo. Ogari 2 was key. Thank God you have declared the monaga one. Share on this video and drop your answer. Share the video, drop your answer. So this lady was very. I asked her a simple question. Come on, get her. Come on, she's wrong. She. It's a simple question. Simple question. No, who channel Jerry na neti me. Who channel get Jerry get me. Wonyara. And I drew a wounded lion like me. Which question? Which question are you asking me? It's one question. I'm not doing hamabu page. Let me block on your show. Get you don't want to rest. Because block all on this Obi or Anthony. I don't know. Sometimes joy in your life from like this to block someone is mean so. Hi. To block someone is mean so. Power tap. Share the thing and drop your answer. Share. Okay, channel mabia. Fake a say everywhere. One are bugging. Now. Okay.
I don't know Ogechi, don't know me.
Okay.
So even I say don't spell me that. We don't need Igbo. I'm going to Igbo adeja. Say no.
Okay.
Oh, guy, you know go do sheshi. Oh, these are the main problems. Ogechi get out of 6 years in prison.
The rest are short.
This is the main reason why. These are the main reason why Ogechi get just spend the 6 years.
Okay.
Omode yana ko mo wana hapo Ogechi angorom kai.
Okay.
Before I will forgive Ogechi Njaka,
okay,
she must come. We will go to doctor. Get on at detention. This is my opportunity to catch her off that.
And those who that could not stand my presence in a station. Then it should go so. It's a bring butter on a station everywhere. They have to look for spray. Well, put spray on him. Spray everywhere. Look at you. Only looking at that gamma everywhere for compo. Yeah, me as starch. And the chicken is not even ordinary heat. Starch that was coming out of your stinking body. Organization. Mana chugigana she potano come face me. Why didn't you tell them that your IPO na chumachu? If you can't even stand, they're gonna walk this unintelligent criminal. Share by deregi your statements. That one couldn't even face me face to face. So. Nini mere, he put a who. No Ogechi need a test to prove me. Imagine this idiot who couldn't even put up a writing. He can't write, oh. Idiot cannot put up a writing for himself. He was looking for an intelligent criminal. Also, they cannot see at all. Ocho de Kamuyanya, also kri. None of these men, they umokamumrio. They could not do anything if it's not Amamanda Hunde vigilante. These boys were errand boys. Jpac is an errand boy. As soon as I say, madam, he did not go completely. He's just an errand boy. Many statements. I want a mail like this. He can't even stand me when I'm talking. The idiot was shivering. I have to cover my nose. You know, I don't pretend. I have to cover my nose. I covered my nose. They were all stinking up and down. I couldn't hold my breath. I had to wear like a fushimi. These people stink. It's only Jamie where a person can spread everywhere. Major Kuume. Major small breaths. Now what happened? Now before you have Ogechi, or somebody that cannot even stand in front of me. No, go discuss in your line. Come, I was shooting me. And you quit to go to Yama who did level Ogechi boom. They were running. Only can now, okay. They were all looking for a place to hide their little smelling potty. That's a fubaho. Facebook could just deceive you, no. I'm catching them now. Imagine them with the makeup. I'm not in a makeup mood. Just that I was surprised. My environment, I don't know what was happening. But one need to go declare. I only tell Abu Beke. Don't know if they can tell you the truth. No makeup, but I am Sam. No mama jare, up and be a man. In the home Nigeria got baggy. And when more time. We go, my come on, auntie. I don't give a fuck. On your mama, no matter how you fake it. This in be Shiggy Nayaga forgive Ogechi. Nayaga get a petition and make a petition anything. Was you okay? Fine. Get a Ogechi Marigi. May I say, Nanti Bashona, Shia, it wouldn't be Kuru. Not catching imbecile children, call you Puhuya. Because you cannot go to equity with your dirty hand. Shia, either Namu imbecile children, and my father, and I'm called Kuruya. Do you have evidence? Eben Namu no Ramu, or Eben no Wagan Namunga? Call Koromonoma, in 10 Cosrigane, who take a carry and keep you. Yes, this statement. It don't one intelligent critic. Can't have to do anything. You make the man who they are at all. Oh, you're not sure. Like, then what can I get you to put on now? If you cannot do that, why are you hiding? And my God, I should get you to Hoge. I get you could not do anything. I need to get you face to face. So, okay, let's assume you met me. Why don't you say get you are that unintelligent criminal? At least, Mama will get a man out there. But this is your turn down on our G. Man, this is your I can't hear. If you never call she back, she get out. Oh, you look at your barina. Happy case in your she. These people are just jobless. What to yourself, Mama, I'm more cool. She know what they have. Very jobless individuals in their home. I am every day have a new false promises. Have a new false one. Okay, you want to go to the same one in the country. Now, Jpac washing. Onye get your clothes back here. Yeah, there's something is coming out from his skin. And the Oje Kurujelu nyeri aya. Oje Kurujelu abuishi like him. Mwapwe oru. What am I working in? Police are my okay. Sure, you guys are not hearing what is smelling here. Can you guys say one policeman won't put a joke? Madam, I can hear it. It's really, really smelling. It is really, really bad. Jpac, that's Konyo Shina Mariko, Rikashi, Rikari Jacogo. That's criminal. Emu Keza Governor Yoshi. That's ban politics. Canary Guma Kakanike. Can convict 3 years old Chenka. Nari Guma Kakanike. That one I should get reminded no. Emma, some of them they are not educated. They don't know what is convict. They don't know what is reminding. They don't know. That's idiot too. Utelando Tiashina. Nari Guma Kakanike. Jerenga. That's one abalaga. Kahato de kamuanya. Also, nani going to power mahashi. Open on ya. Yakucha. Nimemoto abalaga. Disappear. I don't know station. Because Ejimanya na choya. Because I told me Maya like this man do Yawa. They disappear and Gamani Panamono Posana Pahu period again. Disappear like this. Laddie. Nani go with each other that time. The vigilante on there. Yes, Bruno. Diamote also. Men station now warrior and choya. Unintelligent criminal also. Jpac by home by a TV shebe. Yana for madame. And you're what I they are all errand boys. Thinking I can't get ego. That one, can't not even pay a lawyer. That one a broke ass bitch. Oh my dear. Girl, after December 2nd, come on, Bruce Yaga. I got baby. I got no but go breathe. I got baby. Are you tango? I got no but go rest. Next time you get people. Errand boys. These people, full grown ass men are going. They know what I carry haga muamuka hajiga errand. None of them. You go to governor you shin discrimination on repetition of money. Oberangam no hotel gamegene. Edi lagoji, unezuzunu, ticket, madam, I one person they do in her comfort zone. Ne diaru mushioshi. Ne diaru mushioshi hana gare. Guys, tell me pay window man here I know winter. Say hit another on. Let me open window they come. Because heater the on I can't turn off it. It turn off it and I need Jumoyi. Chicago is very cold. One more now. Onion also. Ngona also. Okay no also. Elisa no also. Nkechi no. It's okay. Ndem na got strange faces. I home in there now show Ogechi. Ogechi I go do you this I go do. Errand boys. Hana pata. It's me. It's me. It's me. You go to your it's me on ole ne it's me. You go to your station on ole because also Jpac I'm back. Queen is back. I don't know one day many posts got that comment here. She may work very well. Say no problem. Man on one kete man ishi. Hey Jejana I walk. Baby comment, did I pursue you? You like my new leave now? Thunder babu kwage. Which new leave? That you are busy saving video for Ebukobi. So he save video intentionally to come and war him. He save video intentionally to come and war you. Gapata Ebukobi abalagala. Only nka abalagala. KG listen to you. Na me amatrana get you a criminal on your abalaga. When those to give Matarana Bugini, didn't they run away from you? When they really confirmed that you're doing better like a content creator. Oh, we can buggy. I still maintain my words. Even the man who get up in about and I get tomorrow to the entirety. I never change my stand. Because he get proof room. Onye. No one I mean in you cannot call him on and be crying the one on okay? And the Kem Koroga would tell get out of the machine. I'm telling you the truth, I him in and that's what you do. And the process now, listen that can manip or your brina jocha. No gagi bunyere go your brina jocha. Go and do tests and prove me wrong again. Ibu ọrịa mmenwu ko ibu ọrịa mmenwu Chineke akpagbu gị. Ibu mmenwu ka ibu mmenwu. Ị na-atụnye ọgwụ ọnụ every morning ka ị na-atụnye. Chineke pụọ kwa gị ọnụ. Bọọlụ ịhụ gara ha. Ha ma show ọgwụ dara ị gaga ọnụ every minute. Kana ara ya. Gịnị dara ị gaga ọnụ? Gana aza onye mmiri amụ agbili ime afọ ya is not enough. Look at how expanded look at how distended your stomach is at this present condition. If begin to reduce, gonna expand n'afọ, na grow everlasting growing miniamu ima foge. Gonna make expand na eruko awo. Na do Jpac if you run for my matter, Chineke ga kpogo oku. Chineke ga kpogo n'oku. If begin angu miniamu. Asumano riri na afa ya. Amashi ya no give mini afọ mini amu no gafọ. Ala pa mini nikubuo kwage. Abo mari men ga pata. Remain ga yonya on what ground kwano? Or would that he pa for when naturally shegu na mpobi. If ga pampo bi rice fried chicken. Fried shibano. But you can get powerful many amoku peki you to go for to gi God doko. Oh very dark man. Very dark man. Oh very dark man. Moki beki ki begala pa. Very dark man now I realize because the way you know mere paunu. Very dark man paunu. Piagi. Emma, one thing about you, where the income and where the favoritism is no longer coming, you switch with your fake crocodile tears. What have Ihe Martin and the Kano got to do with a very dark man? Very dark man don't even talk about Martin and the Kano that much. So why did you put the two things together? Yesterday I was like, what the fuck is wrong with this bitch? You was mimicking and mocking yourself, crying like a chicken face. Masha, so now you know you have lost it all. Now, please, if you don't love me, please don't love me. Let me get that video. Wait. Say, can play Chagodi Nka. Can play Chagodi this one.
I don't know Ogechi, don't know me.
I don't know you, you don't know me. You are right. I don't know you, you don't know me. You are 100% right. I am one. So anything I get me a stranger. Nkuja ina akuja mana akuja ge. Nkuja ni aboga lo wani because anya mo onyo all of us wo. Ina peja ma peja gi Chineke ga akpoga oku. E wotago?
Usuno munne. I don't know Ogechi, don't know me. Amaro mo onyo obu. So even I say na akwa wande gi. Don't spell me that we don't Igbo.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to Igbo adeja. Sem no munne. Oh, guy, you know go do sheshe. Oh, these are the main problems. Ogechi get out of 6 years in prison. These are the main reason why Tojuku Waaba. These are the main reason why Ogechi just spend the 6 years. What they yana call more than happy Ogechi. I'm kai. Before I will forgive Ogechi Njaka, she must come. We will go to doctor. Get on detention. This is my opportunity to catch out Ogechi. Because no could say that now get that test. Let bloggers carry this news. Let bloggers carry this news. No, my petition came 14
now. Ebe, you are not competent enough to come to that place. Now, I got my request to that Ike until he made the test. When I'm in Nigeria, I came back. You couldn't request for the test. You ran away. Now, Ogechi Okeke Njaka is requesting for the test. And we must do it. And then when you went by near border, you must follow the pen order. He gave me a liar. I was like, Baba now, please, Ogechi does that again. Make una help me, oh. Make una help me, Ogechi don't come. You know me, I know they look any other person when I target. He don't subril again. He don't again. All of you that plan to come in Nigeria, All of you that plan to come me, I know that you. And the 6 years are no go. 6 years are no go. Okay, let's continue.
Still leaves of loads. But I just name came my own.
Okay.
Only when boss or more there.
Okay.
Ogechi must carry me to test.
Okay.
I wasn't around there. She went and be complaining to doctors. Now, why did they? Not
Number
that.
one, I did not complain to anybody. I didn't complain to nobody. All this one, false information, bringing it online, saying shakam. Okay, let's assume. I complained. I went to hospital. Get a choroge. If you join, I'm in the hospital. Get low to like at the same time. I first spam. I for miniamu. Name a choroge that you did not come. Back no log. Get sonomo. Biata si ipu because ipu zinike wipu. Why didn't you come? Kabiale ugi mo karashira shuko wufeji. Eba no wunyegi minyori obri docha. Why didn't you come? Why didn't you come? Kebia proof wo ebe gide na gbenda gide na dika Messiah kitoko Messiah. Ya dika mbegi de mas na de kan. Ya dika when the Messiah has been captured everywhere. Ogechi, those videos I get. Ogechi has been captured alive. Ogechi everywhere. Everywhere. Was busy. We are busy glorifying me. Was busy saying the Messiah has arrived. That become begging the very dark man like that. Everywhere we are the Messiah. To tell you the kind of capacity, the kind of heavy we are the carry. You want to go? How about we put to our first narrative? Ebukobi abalagala. Wa ga abalagala. Chidimma abalagala. Okay, chika abalagala. Indeed, we are easily to be deceived. A question I have abalagala. Good. There's no problem. Now, more can a survival. I'm about to tell him. I ain't got ya. Man, our man, okay. Man and woman. Up by the this time around. You want to go?
The same one when the police are Ogechi Okeke. I get test him. Oh, Bruna.
But give him an owner Hana, Diashi. This thing no Baruno. Get him an obey test ya this evening. Akwa Baruno. Now the same way you're going to Taga that test ya. Now get him an owner by Yashibiko. Oga Onyana Nanike. Have you gone to test this your Ike? What is going on? Have you gone to test this your Ike? Why didn't you guys ask? He gave you guys a mandate. He gave you guys assurance. He gave you guys everything. I don't get it. Imagine to make a video. Kunu bido gather way again. Hey, hey, Keko Shiba. Actually, Kunu bido no arrangement. They had to ship me from here because that's one I made myself available to you guys. Yeah, I made a video. Show my environment. I want to carry me no. You want to go? Yeah, I didn't. Now I gave myself to you guys for free. Now you guys have to work hard and come and get me. And that am a dogo. I got me a big. I got me a shinga mega pipe. Me she chance spam one me a book she region. That's spam we because on girl you keep on. I'm me she try me up to the right places. Because you gave Fugi a very lousy hope that you are coming for test, and I did not see you. So I am angry now that after giving them hope, you did not do it. So I got a machine gun now to remind you for that test. It got a lot of lie. It got a lie.
If Ogechi Eziokwu, I will replace Ogechi to that police.
Okay.
I'm not going to lose the man and not church. He said, I have to be watch. The man the
children. You don't start again. Aya, my block or this fake account. Aya, Otila, come on, Joe Adil account you come. Aya, fuck off. Oh no, channel no got lock up me shame on. I don't start again. I'm not gonna start. I'm not gonna start. And when no goes win and I galavant, Chineke won't open. Every channel no got lock come. I get on is finished. And I'm a happy and queer. I get you on. Get on about Christmas. Jpac, Pumbo will I get there. I ain't about Christmas. Na Nigeria. You're not going. On the channel. Oh no. Mama, yes, you guys will shut me up. That is when you guys started the problem that will never end. You guys started the war that has no ending, no anywhere. All the more when you guys hold me captive, now I get na Nigeria. Now I am here. Now I am physical. As you are updating them then, telling them, Ogechi. Put again your updates. Now the die is cast. And when I hear my plan no plan, I shall not send them and they baby video. That means you guys plan to take my life. You take it? So I go nowhere. Jpac, Okwanyam. Jpac, Okwanyam no to that shit. Jpac no Okwanyam no to that shit. Ogechi is out. That problem you think you have ended. Get into 1 year. You can never drink water again. You have to like no to that shit. I am back. I'm on no. Yes. As you walk majestically, bien a newi, bien a digi, as an errand boy, you waiting of you, and when I'm responsible, and the guess who or the brewan and can't guess who I am. Guess who or that Coneloro, a pick 1 night stand. Zusu, Oroya, Biamagaya, deco statement to Kemanelea. She ne kwan ganda paria bo lukobro wenwo let's on gebu na ebu na bo ken na po entia udina akwa apara nwanya na akwa apara at the same time did not susunu have able to dogu. I shouldn't have gotten you involved because you wrote statements about me. You useless achafro ubu amama ba she mepere shop anam ne erete di he oweji kwadona gi shop. How can you retrieve shot again, man? You idiots! I put him in a 1 night stand. I guess I had the different men. I was going to generate with them. Keep their statement illusion. If they put on a statement because they did not tell me what is in that statement, you will come on. Anybody that say you're not saying I should not call you. No, you wrote statement on my head. You came with your don't low to your blue. With your passport, go back again. Iri, my mom help me kegi wiri imamu. Take one email spam. To useless idiot. A packet and you can get defu. You can write, but to autoboleno nani homa with jaho to la way spam. Obla. Ibra birthday statement in Elishin. Sharini mere. Chineka one na bwoko. Gas sweat. Everywhere, nebe ogri, anambra. Every nation. Imagining that these two people want one nigga by email. Imagining that they shigaba without opening pussy and damu. Without opening up and damu. Yade shiba. Imagining that woman people only came palm when they came people. Or when they came a pot to that. Nobody gonna come close. Everywhere. Physical. Police, we are running. police we are running. Also, if you are boom, 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 boom. I thought it's just a saga talk. I was thinking, I never knew that 2 persons are the same time at 10 pence. I was thinking it's just a normal saga talk. The reality, same thing. My police are warakini. One of my good friends, but always money. A very good brother. Just that he was carried away by little here when he shinoed. But I still respect him because he's a nice guy. Ugo. Everywhere that could have. But one of my sisters too, Princess, she came to resolve that matter that day, you know. Princess and I, she mentioned Princess, I forget. Come on and that guy. They are all nice people. They came, but he came be too much. All of them were good people. I can't dispute that. They did their best. Just that him and he no nipe. Ina go get you share them ma. The shimmer be shimore. Come on, be shimore, share them ma. Yawu show who police mpare. Because me champare ma their AIG. Pare ma their IG. Me cha post we na Facebook. Am nanda kopre like any. This woman enwe power. I can go into 20 December 2nd. Because that day they made call. And when who the call no? And when see and when who the this year bashing and I Jpac. Why are you na station channel? When the Meruna Balama one, they know where I did. After the can't be Jerome major last year, none of my private parts. Mogabeti Huminga. And I should see idiot to be an amount of Canada. A man, the more you look, the less you see. Because I can't they are minor rats. And when you buy a metal, buy private men, I mean more. A man call my Larry him like national. You can't carry Ogechi off. You can't carry Ogechi off. Oh, because I am the police. Emma is she that location move for the share mumma. Oh, no levelness. That one I'm in the police and I carry our courts. Oh, you went parade. Can't show can have a movie. In my bed, I buy them as in the corner. When Nigerian police buy a movie, it's share you. Those are the only people I have cases. They even called me, let's settle this thing. Man, they put on a phone. Now put on a phone, settle what on you can know. But I let her apologize. But I'm behind him and Apple and cut. What everybody at the police? Okay, have you seen check? Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna check. They washing. That is why they were not able to do anything. And I fake because that's it. No con, no nothing. Equano. Let no masha jama abuja. Hotel 9,000. Sorry, hotel 7,000 naira in Abuja. Imagine how bad it is. Oh, him mother ball actually. On the very true or Kalesia de come. Hotel 9,000. Don't worry, Masaka, but I never tell those videos. Man, I prove Luna now here. No level, no level, classless. Now I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, since so much video.
The more to tells you. Level less. The one I'm worried. Okay, you have court case with the Nigerian government. You have court case with the Nigerian police. They are true. Because that's why they became angry. And I said, I'm sorry. When the system is not the way it works here. On the problem with who don't you? You want to go? But they might pull on a cut up. Nobody tell me, nobody not threaten you. Stand your ground. Pieces anybody where you want pieces. Nobody, no level. Now me, I show you. Then the 2026 to Facebook what days we can follow my page, criminal justice and TikTok. We will go viral. Chuma no machine look at them again on there with it. As she edge your knee, she's on her open. Oh, now I got you, and you want me to come. I can't come. I can't come. Look for me. If you can capture me, capture me. Many people will try balaga. You can't pay me. Lie. Ngam mega again. Peme within that human wage. Peme within that pasta. Peme within that shishi. Peme within that he pen one and then a dianandano hati. Am I mad? It's crayfish. It's crayfish, baby. 2026. My African market is coming. I need the freedom to fight. I got my no promoter. I got my digga na lawyer. I got my address business. I got everywhere. Oh, be she like it. America. America. Now you're no longer American citizen. No, Zoom. Okay. I thought you was showing passport. Now American. You American citizen. One nap. Can somebody laugh? Let's continue to finish this so to meaning. Let's listen.
A wait, the innocent boy came with because of he had the video.
Chere, did I hear that you said that Akwa is an innocent boy? Can somebody tag Governor Sowudo here? Did I hear that you said that Akwa is an innocent boy? Oh, you might charge you Akwa is facing. You don't know the investigation. Well, you can open your mouth because I'm on Nanga, but I'm Patagum. Oh, no, I'm Gabon, Barakala. So I will reciprocate. Did I hear that you called Akwa an innocent boy? Did you know that this idiot I collect about spam nime for ya? If I'm not that's in a petition here. Emmanuel or Akwa no say I'm come put petition. Akwa needs to somebody a boy. I saw okay, we know okay, the dog. Somebody should not remove that thing or say so. Remove that thing, man. Okay, when a mother can't have so large respect to where. Oh man, he can't take a deputy. But you know what you got to do. You got to not passion. You got to not pa. And the chair work at your machine. That's me. I'm a young guy. You got in the name of petition. Chineka or your con. You got in the name of them. Then you to like a man. No, Nigeria. Chineka or your con. Yeah? Series of court case. Name of the series. Get him on the series of court case. TikTok double tap share double tap share double tap share. Yeah, TikTok is good going double tap share double tap drop your double tap share. TikTok, my people, yes, we're gonna go. I'm gonna gym 2026 and let us have ya. And what shiny dear comma? And as far as I know on social media, you get broadcast here. No, but they are all levelers. Direct chicken. No, cannot play for snow too. Come on, nigga, potential get cannot play for snow too. And they say that packet that will come, so I cannot play fast notes. Like I see him. I can't. What should we play? First notes. My jogging man, I'm getting on my him. I'm getting game. Am I there? Am I the one there? All the videos you know to give me, we're gonna replay them 2026 to conjure me head kite. Who the fuck will tell me that I'm not on the program? Somebody will not comment on my platform. Who the fuck are you? You think you can capture me and shut me up at the same time? Because I should piece it in the go job. Because I should piece it in the go job. He won't you? One needs anything about such a cancel it, give his coupon. Okay, Suprino. look them. I caught to make them. Every day. Why is somebody commenting? Let me see that back. Tap. Share on TikTok. Tap. Who said I will not go to Nigeria again? I've been in Nigeria 3 good times. I will go and come out. So you're not gonna know I'm there. Put any guy bang. Puta. Nah, Ghana men joy. Nah, puta. You not gonna know. Shake him. Should I get one no come? I just came back. Dara, because I didn't know when free. I was gachana. Yo, I know when nobody could know. Because I gave you guys when they take it. I fashion. Yeah, what can I thank God for saying that I got your spiritual arm. More things will unveil as time progress. Nobody go rest. Dala, you came to molest me. What did I give to the moon? Let me block him down. I come down. She come on, fuck off here. Ne gift to no more. Thank you for the gift. Gift to no more. Eba ko get broken. Ne gift to no more. I get job unter ya ha, but I go here. I want you sheep. Worry boring. I want you shop worry boring. I want you shop for perusal. I want you shop to run around mama gele. I want you show what can shoot in Manamandara. I want to show what I want. Ndara. Come and control social media. More in America and freedom. Imagine the Americans who call it TikTok. Oh, you don't know that all Trump now won't handle TikTok. We have bought everything. If you can shut the Nigeria up, you can't shut us. Freedom of speech. Come and judge me under my judiciary system. Dala. Your skin is giving me joy. Yes, my dear. One stretch my career. Everywhere is some iki yara. Everywhere, brother. And I me. Biabiano no ga ho mwanya jana. Ashina Barcelona. Anana Barcelona. Ashina 101. Upon 102. Can 2026. Come back to talk till December 2nd. Everything must be open. Come and hold me. Beg them. And a berishi yawa. And a berishi, but a one is shako shako. And a berishi yako. Nonsense. Share, double tap and share. Join my TikTok. Connect my TikTok. Ndo to mu patano TikTok. Achim squad my TikTok. In the Facebook. Piano TikTok is 400 and something now. TikTok is 411. And I call it. I get teacher blue. I get teacher my black and my blue. I get teacher free. We are not respectful for any kind. You don't give a fuck. If you don't want peace, you get it. I was even in Nigeria now, saga. Masaga the police is so open that I'm arimbo. Makana saga. The police are there mwanya. Nobody sent the manera. They did their underground because I was trying their patience. Nobody sent them. Oyane kwana ugo. Oyane put the prop. Now I go tell them what I saw. Nobody will tell me those things. And I call you. Come man barankat. Don't know when shot. I put them shit. I told my home in Sobu. Let me go and rest. My business. Now forget that I will make food vendor. I made food items. I want them crayfish. 2024, baby. 2025, baby. 2026, baby. 2027, baby. Market akamo akara. Nkwobi ishiawu. Beke amere amaka amagbo. About 2028, baby. About 2024, baby. Amagbo. Akane me bendi. Ma potashi. I want to be on my own. I don't want problem. Okay, don't put him na Nigeria. He got like him. I said I want to be left alone. Allow the sleeping dog lie. I am a wounded lion. I'm a painful wounded lion. Do not start. I want peace. You gave me in tax. I completed my own tax and you want to play with me. You want to play with my mama and me. After completing my own tax, you want to be a thorn on my skin. Keep that behind the Facebook. Join them on TikTok. I'm here with them. TikTok is almost 4:31. Join them on TikTok. Thank you for the gift tax. Nigeria. If you don't have any money, no connection, do not even get out Even get out That is not justice whatsoever. Number again. If you know so Japan to go so balan to get Ogechi. And number 2, I just want to I'm an MJ go home after December 2nd. Follow me this. Pull it up. Who gave me the because friend Bajin here. Friend Bajin.
Also, why Ogechi?
Cheren, can play the Disamusu is talking.
Oh, no, that's a happy Ogechi. More about Jpac. My own petition be here prison.
Okay.
My justice is going no other interested. Also, why Ogechi be that one abuse? I am rich up to my petition ye budget prison.
Okay.
That's right. Why today these people have deceived you, bring you back to Nigeria. Mama got aya mezugo ma kezen kara de edinogo. Hanile Ramataga Nigeria. Now who will be able to come to Abuja and sign for your shorty? No. Nobody. They cannot come to Abuja. They cannot near that place. Ma Kosayono, Mezugo, Ma.
If all these people don't mention, none of them left me. All these people don't mention. They were there morning, afternoon, night, even every night they were there checking up on me. All these people now don't mention. And when Eziokwu were a man of integrity. Eziokwu, the only name we brought them wearing that I will still maintain. Eziokwu stood firm. Eziokwu, am I gonna talk? I can one name. All of them. And when Monday gonna supply go for support. One go never run, that they never run, one go never run. And when any of them left me behind, no one of them. All of them were there. You know this false information. Go Bijina alone. These people know how to manipulate some gullible. Anyway, I don't blame all of you because you guys are not getting information. Because at a point, it sees the information. Nobody, again, we are able to release them because and when any of these people are mentioned on a slight back. No. All this is Okugawu. Go Jinyo Wenya. Preeminence. Nothing. This fake bastard, nothing. Every woman, even no man, they may who they expect, they came through for me. Come on, even at a point, I played debate Ebem Gan. Agamano na nka. I saw me mention Agamano neba. They were dragging to protect me. None gave up on me. None. This is how manipulative this lying bitch can be. This person is a liar. He can lie. He can lie. He's not steady. Little light. Yeah, remember. Little light. Yes, switch here. The very dark man has. You can't even move that. You can't even move the guy. Great dark man. Now I realize in any way you was targeting very dark man on a prize. It has nothing to do with him about farmers and the canoe. So I don't know why you are faking this. You're faking crocodile tears. I'm actually this virgin in a power. That's the first time when that's your organ want to penetrate. That was the cry you was crying yesterday. Fake crocodile tears. Oh, Togo forget. You was crying that oh God small. Oh God small. Money cash. Madam again no mashishirike. Oh Jafo. In you mashishirike. On a fanga with a lamb. Ogechi, how would that call beggar yesterday? What have anyone got to do with what happened to my what a irony of rubbish? And people were buying it. People were even buying rubbish. I was looking at this book, and the lady says, "Are you okay? Why are you crying? Is your guy putting ammo? Is your guy putting ammo? Is it ammo crying? Why crying? Go that man. You are projecting crying Who the fuck is fooling who? Why are we too stupid to be easily to be deceived? In the thinking of an eye. Oh, crop You was not crying. You was not crying. Yawubu. In what sense did Begagapa? You can address a very dark man. Sorry, I misunderstood you. Sorry. Hey, baby. Who the fuck is fooling who? Who the heck is fooling who? That blew up. I know how about be man on TikTok. That blew up. I know how about you be one on TikTok. I can't know about no na TikTok. I'm who na TikTok. Sorry, I'm who na blew up. Be one on TikTok. In my TikTok account, to create TikTok account to 2026 is gonna go down. Actually, I'm not getting younger. Are you getting younger? As far as I'm with we are all aging. So whether you come with I'm getting younger, it's not. Are you getting younger? None of us is getting younger. We are all aging in our own way. We are all aging, and when we are not younger anymore, we are aging gradually. I am all getting old, including you, including your mom, your papa, even the man that call him is getting old because 1 month, 2 months, 3 months older than So this thing is talking rubbish. What is your TikTok name? Epinia down, Queen the line, Epinia down, Sonia Donna here. In my TikTok account to 2026, go and create one. And then one call Honzo. Oh, one if Anya Balinka. Made it I am. On your league, Diga, Chicago, Diga. And women back home. Money, who go get the mind? Who go get the mind to come and challenge? On your one yaho. She apata. That is Chicago. Now this Chicago. Go on a more. Show you put an she. Diga the person. Oh, I don't get paid. Nobody. one who say make it confront me. Come where again a movie. Onye kwano. Onye go do who go. That person come. My joy on my micro on my bibliocala. Oja bezo shingi. Okay, how I was on Facebook.
Oh, what are you going to Interpol office?
Okay.
Nobody. Even as I speak to you, our dad here Bukobi cannot come because no matter go get Eziokwu. I go get onya boy gazetted criminal.
Okay. And my daddy cannot near me. Now, Facebook cannot near you because I go man shini kairigi. Assistance man. Mwana bani board yam tawim. Or yang more qualalan. I am not one. Ne woon again yaki. That he was secret. He was shini or shini kama ma papa. Yes. Why he won on my home pong? Bound with my daddy bottom. My daddy bottom was a gidegi. Hey, Obaramosa. Let's take it. Obaramosa. My daddy Baramosa. But at least Yabaramosa, we can be close to you. At least that's in Baramosa. But they are close to you. Get me share mega video. Because we know you are not a steady man. It will wear benefits, inconsistent follow. And when that is your lifestyle, you can never change it. That is why when you are not a steady being. And I'm going Governor she cannot put only go commercially anymore. Lie. As far as Ogechi's back. Contract I got Kabuya, go and mark it somewhere. Man, that contract on your mom no manga. All that Kabuya by fire by force. It can never hold. It can never hold. Go and write it to the Namku. China. Because you guys are not meant to be trusted. You guys, when you trust room, it's not gonna work. Unless that contract will be terminated as soon as possible. And I'm an immigrant for free. You cannot commercial for free, but not for money, not for anything attached, not any longer. All the same man he did not respect. Memorial service, and at least when they go there, that little respect. Una bia, kena Jpac, and don't we be to be again. It's not gonna work. Come on, muna wa going problem. It's out to you can never be a party to that his success anymore. You could have you and this your idiot afoshe. It's not gonna work. It will never work. Go and tell those on who use myself somewhere. It's not gonna work. As far as I say, onye muna get you problem is soro Jpac. Etiga goji keep ya kuoma kangam a pointer like na almost show my home. One ya no have comfortable song. Una oya. Asumba German you know 10,000 because already broke. So but they were how na deceive no. No teshe won help pastor. Etiga goji. Give me ngamo ba. Aba onye chuganta. Aba onye chugei. Nuna ba tiki. Anya hona yo. Madam kezi choka imena. Kezi choka imena. Eje hidirani. Ani josoro biaru. Ani nda vigilante. Ani na hano here. Hey, urule kezi choka imena. He can't. Job is over. Okay. See, I don't need any contracts. I don't need any out. I didn't need anybody to give me any contracts. But when I go to the team, go remove me. I'm not interested. Don't put me into your ambassador. I don't do ambassador because I will break the laws. I want business in the war. But I have bank in the war. Because I told you when I get manage business again, but I'm not fucking interested. Where else you go? He's the man of the choice. Where am I also go with nice man? One need the number. He's a good guy. Tintanity. It's a good man. It's no money. I want you need drug wounded. I try in the game ambassador. I try in the game ambassador. They become very other man. My boss. What I can remember. One forgot the other put the good. But me problem one capacity. One am I home? I just mention why anyhow. And I back at what they say. Man, I don't know, but I should that. More product, more any name game is a come on. Let me go commercial myself. Let me go put my products. Now you go even come, I go give you, say make you do. I can remember that. Girl, I'm patronizing this. Let's match on me get for free like that lady in Mushi. I did it for free for her. This is the kind of what I do it for free. I won't know. I may go on. Woman, a woman who kiss and tell. Kiss and tell. I don't do shit like that. Jpac, you a betrayer. You a snitch. Anybody trusting you is trusting his own death. I will keep reminding everything you told me about Ndogaga again. And we had the Ogechi, I will let go. Lie. And we had the Kaya. Ega, again. You are Bezelam, you only could now, my can't write. You only could now, my phone can't. That's Yaki, because I'm saying 1 year Lagan. Oh, soon. Ogechi is still alive. I know the first day you guys, I want that governor knew she, that criminal, that bandit, that idiot, can get that escort and gang for 3 years. That idiot, I want to know my car, my share. It's a time that one day you posted. Ogechi has traveled. When I buy him, I get traveled. I got bomb that story. I got bomb that information. You go tell me, as time progress, that is Sagigi Ponye Waragian. You go talk him. You go talk him. Why could they listen to Ibu?
Only because he cannot, as a man of God, he cannot put his hand.
Okay.
Because Ogechi believe that they become Yabe.
Now let me tell you. Whether may believe Rumu, may believe him, nobody disappointed me. Everyone came through for me. You're manipulating shit. Nobody is even listening to you. Everything they were telling me in the prison. I was getting all the information. I said, make them keep saving the video for me inside they come. Because I know a day like this will come. All this your manipulating words and all that. Because they know you're a bitch. It would just say common that is what you are. All of you told them that I'm not coming this year, next year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. Until America. I want you guys to tell them, why did you guys give them such assurance? And now you're not able to defend the audacity. Okay, this by Oya Paul, what to Google with your fake account? Oya, Otilo, back and dog, Oya, and you know, Sobu, or him Jack Babunu, Una Wari, then I try you. Nah, Munawa, now, then I tune. See, not the back and not tune. I will continue to back. Hey, what I go? I will continue to. Everybody beside him. Anytime anybody beside him, Mama Bugogi. Yes, I'll continue to back. You can smell my food. Mama Bugogi. Now, all this your manipulative video, I was hearing it. Even you're talking about Akazayan coming to Interpol. Who was at the Interpol? Who always come and go? And when I came, but him all Jaho to la mame gamu. It is the channel from Angame Kagamu, Manama Kemegane. Nobody, how can they know? How will you know? When the movement was on the ground, how would you know? Ibo hechano tulame chagamu. Ijama akemegame. Ikareushi kulu town. Leave Amwaka. Happy more to like yana wom. In a name matala when Ogechi with the passport, yeah. Ikare matala when the police is Ogechi. You insulted me, but I have forgiven you. Our anger was that Mariani case here is nothing. Just because we want to teach you a lesson. Ikare mata that onya dila noji as an errand boy you ikare mata. Now police that you don't have case of this, you just that she was stubborn and you want to prove lesson to her. Ikare mata. That onya dila goju well less like you ikade amma. Just that they are parakroge. Just that they now you go. Get believe on oh. Go get check me go. Go get check me go. Go wara to la shishri. If I get your brain aga. Go wara 1 million go to la shishri. Recently as a million chile ke wara kon. Who deleted the post? Which post? Yeah, he deleted the post as well. I'm a money, but I will confront the person. And then I shall warn you. Come on, here, bitono. Because anything in my family has nothing to do with idiots. Okay.
She would dance your image. Okay. Because of what I like, you were because of you were lose what the thousands of souls turning into her Christ. You were because of Ogechi, you were lose what thousands of souls turning into her Christ. You better leave that person, let the person go.
Okay.
All the people Ogechi trust today, happy because when they knew her lifestyle, okay. Everybody is senior. Everybody senior. So you better say I am a woman. Yes, I am a woman. Yes. Kai woman say I say one day we're able to do one day you about way. Nigeria.
When you should have call you booze up when I come. I had the band. The band has to be molested. This is all they wanted to do to shame Ogechi. This is all they want to do to shame me. Look at them. Look how many men. Look what they're walking behind. Look what also got. Look at them. See them. You know how many men did I bet you take or call it silk? Can somebody give gift to us, sir? Can somebody bring them gift to us, sir? Phone, your remote, when the young gift us said this over me, I'll say so. One woman, Kaum walking mummy, or uncircumcised woman. Look at them. A phone, you get a guy, or you're going. And I take a chicken, that they take a Jesus. Yaka all this thank you a glass of it in jaw. When the piano gift before I continue. Papa When the man go small, let you deserve for you say so.
'Twas the month of November, and all through Bob's stores were weekly unboxings of savings and more. I'm talking unbeatable values on styles for every room. You could even save big.
One of the Umwakam, she woman to Mamma happy boss. Upon the Ameni, they are still afraid. In Umbopuria, watch you one call happy boss. Had the women over 30 men. They won't come with me. The one of them, the licking water now. Look at them. Hey, Johanna. Ipen no hagana look. They protected the life of their citizens. Men like you. No, now, Sambisa Forest. Now walk with their AK-47. Imbewu eji they run useless hungry dust smelling sticking bitches. Look at what kind of agree Egitana Messiah. Men like una Pachebo are protecting young girls they kidnap. Look at the young girls. No man is susware. Not trying young small. Guys, Facebook, I'm gonna turn this off. This battery. Come on Facebook. This battery is low. See you.